Hi there, hope you're all doing well. Continuing my quest to paint all of the Zombicide Undead or Alive box set, I'm back with May. She was black and white Zenithal primed and I get started with Hull Red for her bottoms. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. For her waistcoat, I went for night blue as the base layer. In the artwork, there is a cut off at the bottom, but in the actual mini, there's nothing there at all. It just carries on all the way down. Next up, I moved on to her shirt with golden brown, which is more of a dark yellow colour than a brown. I then get started on her exposed skin with elven skin. She has some wraps around her legs. For these, I went for warm grey. For her hair and shoes, I base coat them with royal cloak. Moving on to the highlights, I used ultramarine blue to highlight up that waistcoat. To highlight up her bottoms, I went for burnt red, just for those raised areas. Next up is her shirt with AK Interactive yellow. This covers better than any other yellow I've used so far, which is a nice break from the usual yellows where you have to do several layers. Her skin gets a highlight of elven flesh. Highlighting up her leg wraps, I went for ivory tusk. As with all my Zombicide minis, the base gets a once over with Plague Brown. For a bit more of a highlight on her shirt, I use sand yellow, just to touch up the uppermost raised areas. The hair was a bit too flat for my liking, so I used sword hilt burgundy to highlight up some of the strands and just add a bit more variety. All the metal parts get a quick once over with mithril blade. Onto the wash for the minute. I washed everything with light tone wash. There are too many different colors on this to really use a different color wash for each one, so I just use one wash and tie everything together. And that will be it for May, a far brighter mini than the others so far, which is a nice break from norm in this box. As always, there'll be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.